got these center caps here because I actually painted my old center caps, which I like them still, and I might replace them, but I just think the chrome on this gave it a nice little touch to the chrome that I left on the vehicle. I went black with the rims, got a little bit of purple right there, so yeah, and little purple caps. I'm gonna take off that that lock. I don't like that. So like I said, they fit most of these standard size rims, so I just like it. Looks nice on there. Looks like it goes with the chrome and the black that I have going on there.